EFMG417 won't start. Start/pause button flashes when pressed.
Who makes your appliance? How old is it?
Electrolux. Fairly new.
How long has this been going on with your Electrolux appliance? What have you tried so far?
Just started. Unplugged for minutes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. To review, Electrolux gas clothes dryer EFMG417SIWO dryer won't start in either time dry or dryness sensor mode or air dry. Press start/pause button and LED light blinks, no start. Unplugged and replugged electric plug-on dryer for 5 minutes, still no start. Check that dryer is not on delay start. Check that door is closed. Going to bed. Would appreciate a reply by 8:30 a.m. EST on Tuesday. Thanks.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. The issue is very likely a failed timer control board. The cause can certainly be electrical. Power outage is one example of what can cause the electronics to fail in appliances. The unfortunate part about it is that the control board will likely have to be replaced to correct the issue if cycling the power off or unplugging it does not solve the issue. If you are planning on repairing it yourself and are familiar with proper grounding techniques and discharging capacitors, it is not a difficult repair. You can order a replacement from any local appliance parts supplier using the model number.
A repairman came and said it was a faulty spring switch inside the door. So the dryer didn't think the door was closed. Electrolux should have a written troubleshooting guide that includes what the LED light blinking indicates, like the door is not closed. Without that, most causes like yours are a guess. Thanks for trying.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.